Hello. Hi, welcome. Just a quick unboxing and review of this Wingun 303 BB pistol with 6 millimeter BBs. It's powered by CO2 cartridge. Ayan. Ayan yung width niya, height. And also, this one is also available ng 4.5 millimeter. Ayun sana yung bibiling ko dun sa hobby shop. Anyway, nakuha ko pala siya sa isang hobby shop online. Ipipin ko na lang sa comment section kung anong hobby shop at kung ano yung price and kung saan ko siya in order. So anyway, they only have this 6 millimeter pistol. So yeah, this one is a CO2 powered. So straight from the box, ang included niya is this pistol and yun lang, bali yun lang. At saka yung manual, yan. So hindi kasama yung CO2 which I purchased 50 pesos per cartridge. This one silicone oil hindi rin included. This metal coated BB hindi rin siya included. So going back, this little airsoft pistol is very handy. As you can see, isang palad ko lang siya. So magaan siya. It's made of polymer, plastic. So plastic lang siya. Yan, all around. But may bigat din siya. So I think yung internals niya is metal. Uh, Roughly mga siguro almost half a kilo ang bigat. So it's good. It's non-blowback. So hindi mo na siya kailangang ikasa bago mo siya iputok, putulok lang siya ng putok. Naka fiber optic na rin siya as you can see. I try it like during gabi and maliwanag siya. Maganda siya pag gabi. Oh. And on the right side, you will see the safety pin. So this one. So pag white, naka-safe siya. So kahit kalabitin mo siya, hindi siya puputok. Oh. So if you're going to fire, just push it, then drag it to the left or right, depending kung paano siya nawakan. Pag naka-red na siya, that will be the time that you can fire. So yan. So safety first. So safety, hindi siya magpa-fire. So yeah, I'm going to test this one because actually binili ko siya. I'm not playing airsoft games or anything. Binili ko siya kasi naghahanap ako ng any pistol na powerful, na handy, at saka alam mo yun, yung pang pest control. So, ang dami kong tinry, nag-research talaga ako. And this one, for me, is the best pistol para sa pest control. If you're going to look on other, wala kasi akong chronic, so hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung FPS kung gaano siya kalakas. Pero, if you're going to search in YouTube, meron siyang mga test, chrono test. So, nagre-range siya ng 400 to 450 FPS straight from the box. Imagine 400. So malakas pa siya dun sa ibang rifle. Then dun sa isang shop na pinag-inquirean ko, ang test niya daw is nasa 450 to 500. 550 pa nga, may 560 nakita ko nung kinroad no test siya. So, yeah, straight from the box. This is how powerful the pistol is. Later, I'm going to show you kung gaano siya kalakas kasi tinry ko siya sa different kinds of bottle, like tinry ko siya sa bote ng Coke, Alfonso, Emperador, and some, like tiles, even tiles, makikita nyo na lang. And then, yung lagayan ng ice cream. So, I'm going to show you later sa video. Nga pala, ito pala yung magazine niya. You can put like 14 BBs. So, ngayon, 0.2 grams lang inilagay ko kasi nagpi-plinking lang ako. But normally, pag nagtatry akong mag-test or, like nag-hunting ako ng mga daga or something, ito ang ginagamit ko. It's a metal coated, again, it's a metal coated BBs 0.42 grams. Pwede rin siya nung mga metal BBs, but 6 mm or much better kung less than, I think may nabibiling 5 point something, 5.9 something na BBs. I think yun yung much better since pag 6 kasi saktong-sakto lang dun sa barrel niya. Non-threaded nga pala to. Baka madamage yung barrel. So 5.9 siguro possible siya. Okay na naman siya. At least hindi siya magagasgasan. So yeah, this is again Wingun 303 BB pistol, CO2 powered. Nothing much to give to tell about this pistol, but napakaganda niya actually. So yeah, let's go outside. I'm going to show you how powerful this pistol is. So testing Wingun 303 firing mode. Yun yung target. So testing fire. Ito naman. Ito siya, makapal. So hindi siya nabasag. But yeah. So siya, ayan. 2 shots. So yeah, as you can see, this powerful airsoft pistol damage, ano lang yun, one shot nabasag niya kagad yung bote ng Alfonso. And then yun nga lang, yung ice cream tawag dito, lagay ng ice cream hindi kasi makapal naman yun. So maybe on the next video tatry ko yung 6 mm na steel ball, but as you can see the damage is only, I'm using metal coated BBs and still na basag pa rin niya yung bote. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys or anyone na nagbabalak bumili ng Wingun 303 or at least naghahanap ng airsoft pistol na powerful na good for pest control. Okay, yun lang. See you guys. Bye bye.